AMD Adrenalin 26.7.1 fix game crashes, black screen, and GPU driver crash on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Restart Windows before trying any other fix. This clears temporary driver conflicts after an AMD driver update. 2. Reset AMD Adrenalin settings. Open AMD Software Adrenalin Edition. Go to Settings and restore the graphics settings to their default values. Disable any custom tuning, overclock, or undervolt temporarily. 3. Clean install the AMD driver. Use the AMD cleanup utility to remove the current AMD graphics driver. Restart your PC. Install the driver again using a clean installation. AMD recommends the cleanup utility when downgrading to an earlier Adrenalin version. 4. Update to AMD Adrenalin 26.8.1. Install the latest AMD driver if your GPU supports it. Version 26.8.1 was released on August 20th, 2026, and includes additional game fixes. 5. Roll back to a stable driver if the problem started with 26.7.1. If crashes or black screens began immediately after installing 26.7.1, try an earlier stable driver compatible with your GPU. Recent Reddit reports describe some users resolving freezes and black screens after moving away from 26.7.1, although results can vary by system. 6. Disable GPU overclocking and undervolting. Open AMD Adrenalin Performance Tuning. Set GPU tuning back to default. Restart the PC and test the game again. 4. Disable AMD record and stream features. Turn off instant replay, record desktop, and other recording features temporarily. Test the game to check whether an overlay or recording feature is causing the crash. 5. Verify your game files. Open Steam, Epic Games, or your game launcher. Use Verify, Repair, or Scan and Repair. Restart the launcher after the repair is complete. 6. Update Windows and AMD chipset drivers. Install the latest Windows updates. Update your AMD chipset drivers from the official AMD support page. Restart your PC after installation. 7. Disable overlays and background apps. Temporarily disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, and other monitoring tools. Launch the game and check if the crashing or black screen problem is fixed.